How's it going, Zach and Jesse? I just wanted to show you guys my Cybertruck. So I tossed a GDX Max 3 or KDX Max 3, how you want to call it, in the back of my Cybertruck and kind of jimmy rigged it. Right now I'm printing a design that goes for mounting a $1,000 heads-up display for scuba diving. This is one of my first designs, and it didn't have the option to mount into the L-track, so I went ahead and glued on a little fitment for prototyping, and now I've redesigned it so I can mount that on the L-tracks on the right and the left. So I have my driver and my drill on either side. I went ahead and installed a backup battery that the printer is attached to. Prints just fine while it's moving. The outlet is where the battery's plugged in. This is another print that I designed myself. It's for one wheel. This is a one wheel pint S, pint X. They all are the same shape, so I designed this Koopa shell. Some of the other prints I've done, this little storage section right here. So, and these right here are some cell phone mounts. Tahoe Kites is my kiteboard instruction company. So I just put some tape on the back of these, I guess we call them stickers, and put them on there.